Hello, so welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE. If you're new here, you are welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, well, thank you so much for always returning back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to create simple makeup. Yes, and I'm going to do my skin first before my eye makeup. Without much ado, let's dive into this. So first thing first, I'm going to spray my face with my Kiss Beauty setting spray, and I'm going to let this absorb in my skin. So the reason why I spray my face is because I want it to be rehydrated. Okay, so that is why I did that. I'm going to use my serum, and this is the type of serum I'm using today. I'm going to list the name of all the products in my description box so you can check it out. So after my serum, I'm going in with my day by day moisturizer. For my primer today, I'm going in with my Zikel oil free primer. Now going in with my Adventure oil control primer on my T-zone areas.
For my foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation and I'm just tapping it on my skin.
So to contour the outer perimeter of my face, I'm using my Blossom BB Skin foundation in the shade 07.
I apply it around my jawline, my forehead. Then I went ahead to blend it with my beauty blender and blend everything in to look seamlessly. Next up, I went ahead to apply this lip stain on my cheek at the high point of my cheek as my blush and also blend it into the skin perfectly. After my blush, I went into the Bicham Ageless Concealer Palette and I used a shade lighter than me to highlight under my eye, my forehead, my chin, and the bridge of my nose as well. Anytime it comes to my simple makeup, I don't like doing heavy highlighting. I just do something simple and that is all. And when it comes to blending, I make sure that I blend everything so that I don't see any line of demarcation around.
So to highlight, I mix the Adventure setting powder with the BeNye setting powder. This one has some kind of yellow undertone to it, so I mix it with the translucent powder.
When it comes to my under eye, when I'm setting the eye with powder, I make sure that I go in with little powder at a time. I don't just turn off with powder. I try to build it up. So building it up is better than going in with excess powder. You don't want to have that cakey look. So yeah. After setting my under eye with powder, I went ahead to use my DoDo Girl contour palette and I use a shade darker than me to contour my forehead, my cheek, my jawline, and also the side of my nose. After contouring my face, I went ahead to use my Sacha compact powder and use that two shade to set the whole face and yeah, blend everything together. After setting the whole face, I went into my Ribia Beauty blush palette and I used that two shade to blush the high point of my cheeks. For my nose contouring, I went into my Sacha compact powder and I used that shade to contour my nose. After contouring my nose, I went ahead to set my face with my Kiss Beauty setting spray to melt all the powder look on my face.
So today I'm going to try doing my eyeshadow first before my brow. Okay. So yeah. And starting with my eye primer.
So this is something that I was looking forward to do, and I was like, how can I do my eyeshadow before my eyebrow? And I said, no, I have to do this today. So yeah, let's see how it turned out. So I'm using that Lady Floral eyeshadow palette and I'm using that brown shade. My thought on this is that doing your eyeshadow before your brow, it helps you do your makeup fast. Yes, because doing my brow at the last, I do not waste my concealer. I just use a little concealer and I'm okay with that. So after that, I went into a darker shade, that is a darker brown at the outer V and blends everything together well. And after that, I went into that lighter brown there to blend in the edges or the brow bone area. After that, I went into this rose gold color on my lid and I love it so much.
Wow, guys, I love the shade. So I'm going to blend in the edges again.
After I finished with the eye makeup, I went ahead to draw my brows. So I used my Karite gel liner to draw my brows, and first of all I tamed my brow with my gel. Then I went ahead to outline the bottom part of my brows and then went ahead to outline the top part of the brows as well. So after that, I went ahead to fill in the brows. That is all I did for this look. After I finished drawing my brows, I went ahead with my Blossom Pro Concealer in the shade 01 to highlight the bottom of the brows, and that is all. Guys, I use a little product, so that is why I said doing this method of makeup does not require you use much concealer, and I love how I did this makeup because this makeup does not took me long to do. It just took me some few minutes and I'm done with the look. So I really love this method. I would love to try it again. I'm in love with the look though. So after that, I went into that lighter brown shade to set my concealer in place. After I finished with my brows, I went ahead to bake under my eye with my Adventure setting powder in translucent. Also do a reverse contour, and that is it. Next up, I went ahead to line my lip with my Karite gel liner. Then I apply my lipstick. That is it. After I'm done with the lip, I went ahead to take the excess powder off from my face. Then I went ahead to highlight the high point of my cheek and the bridge of my nose. I set my face with my Kiss Beauty for the last time. Then next up, I fixed my lashes off camera. Then I went ahead to volume up my lower lashes with my Kiss Beauty mascara. So this is all for this look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If it does, give me the thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe and be part of this family. Then see you in my next video. Bye.